Hi everyone, we are making Mediterranean chicken with olives today. And here's what we need. We need chicken, black olives, green olives, butter, some red onion, parsley, cayenne, oregano, rosemary, salt, lemon, garlic, fresh rosemary, and some olive oil. So let's go ahead and begin our recipe. So we will start with seasoning the chicken. I'm using skinless and boneless chicken. I'm putting them on a plate and then I'm gonna season them evenly on both the sides. For the seasoning, I'm taking a small bowl and adding cayenne, salt, dry oregano and rosemary in it, mixing it nicely and then sprinkling it on both sides of our chicken. Just making sure that we evenly coat the chicken and just let it stand for 5 minutes. So we are almost finished seasoning our chicken on both the sides, and I'm just gonna leave this tray here for 5 minutes for all the seasoning to absorb in the chicken. Now we'll go ahead and saute the chicken. So heat some olive oil and place the seasoned chicken pieces in the same pan. So I'm leaving some space between each chicken pieces because once they start cooking, they're gonna plump up and we don't want them sticking together. And also just making sure that we cook them nicely and evenly on both the sides. We want a slightly golden color on both the sides once it's cooked. Now I'm going to make sure that I cook each side for 2 to 3 minutes just to make sure that the chicken is evenly cooked on both the sides, and in between I'm gonna press this chicken using a flattened spoon or a spatula or a fork, whatever tool you use. And once the chicken is cooked, I'm just gonna go ahead and remove the chicken and leave the oil and everything in the same pan. In the same pan, I'm gonna lower the heat and add the smashed garlic, saute them for like 10 seconds, and then add the finely chopped red onions and just saute this for another 1 to 2 minutes. Once the onions are cooked, they're gonna have a golden pinkish color and a caramelized texture. And that's when we add the olives, the green and the black olives, and just saute it once or twice. Once we've finished sauteing the olives, we add the fresh rosemary. I have just taken a big sprig of fresh rosemary and broken them into small pieces and just added that. And then I also added some butter, some more olives, and some olive brine, which could be either from the black olives or the green olives. Just saute this, give it a good mix, and just let this cook. Once the butter is already melted into the caramelized onion and the olive mixture, we go ahead and add our pre-cooked chicken and saute everything together. I also added some chopped lemons to our dish and just mixed everything together and let this cook for another 2 minutes. Now it's the time to add our dry white wine to it. I am using Chardonnay, but you could add any nice dry white wine that you like. What we can also do is, if you don't want to use white wine, you can add chicken or vegetable stock to it. Just give it a good toss and let this cook. I'm almost done cooking and I'm just gonna go ahead and add some chopped parsley and a sprig of rosemary. Just mix everything and just turn off the heat and transfer the dish to the serving plate. Enjoy the Mediterranean chicken with olives, and for more details just go ahead at www.easycookingwithmolly.com. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.